Today I am going to teach you parts of speech. So, what are the parts of speech? We have seen that many of the English words, that many numbers of the English words are there, that the numbers of the word, it all come from this part of speech, and it has a on this a all the words are belong to that all in the parts of speech, the A group. Let's just check it out. What are they? First one, noun. Second one, pronoun. Verb. Adjective. Adverb. Conjunction. Preposition. And the last one, interjection. So we got here now the 8 parts of speech. So this all the parts of speech means that all the English words are, it's belong to this all 8 kinds of this group. So but before, without learning that what are the noun and the pronoun or the verb or anyone, that you can't identify what is the word that belongs to. Let me explain you. First one, what is a noun? So noun is a naming word. In the easy or the simple way, you can keep in your mind, noun is a naming word. So it can be the name of the person or the place or the things, but it is only the naming word. That the things or the place or the person they have given, it has a name, means it belongs to the noun. So now the second one is, what is a pronoun? So what is the pronoun? The pronoun will take place of the noun. So whenever the nouns are, when we change into the pronoun, means it will change that the pronoun will take place of the noun. So what is a pronoun? Taking place of noun in the simple way. For example, now, so table. Table, it has a name, so it is a noun. So whenever we change the table into noun, means it is a thing, so it will change into it. So table change into it. So this is how that the pronoun taking place of the noun. And for the person also we can check on their girl. So when we write a girl or the name of a girl, then whenever we change into pronoun, means it will change into she. So that means she is a girl. Or maybe any name of a person or Gita. So Gita means it is a name of the girl. So when we change into the pronoun, means it will change into she. She is a girl or Gita is a girl. The third one, verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Action word is an action word. So whenever we did the action, it represents the verb. That verb is an action word. The action whichever we are doing, these all are for the verb. It is the verb. For example, like jump. So it is an action. Or now what I am doing, I am teaching here the parts of speech. So now teach. This also action. Or some cry also, and then laughing and all. These all are the action word. So what is the action word means? Verb is an action word. So for example, cry also we can write. So it shows the action. Now adjective. So what is the adjective? So adjective will describe the noun or the pronoun. It will describe this noun or the pronoun. This adjective will describe this noun or the pronoun. So whenever when the nouns are will be written on there, again it will be tell more about for the noun or the pronoun, that is known as the adjective. For example, Geeta is a beautiful girl. What type of girl she is? She is a beautiful girl. So beautiful is an adjective because it describes the Geeta. It describes the noun. And then again the same sentence, she is a beautiful girl. So here she. So she is a pronoun again. The adjective again described for the pronoun that she is a beautiful girl. So beautiful is a describing word for whom it describes for the noun or the pronoun. So noun or the pronoun adjective means it describes is a describing word and it describes the noun or the pronoun. Or it will be told more about for the noun or the pronoun. What type of the noun and what types of the pronoun. Or maybe he is a naughty boy. What type of the boy it is? Naughty boy. So it describes the pronoun that naughty. So the quality of the person or the things that it describes, that means that is the adjective. Adjective means it describes the noun or the pronoun. So there are many kinds of the adjectives are there. You will learn on the higher section. The adjective like naughty or big or small, ugly, beautiful. Big also we can write because this is a big house. So big is the house is a noun and then it describes about the house. So big. So big is the adjective. So house is a noun and then big is the adjective. That means it describes the noun. And now the next one is adverb. What is an adverb? So adverb also like an adjective. It also describing word. But what things are it described? It describes the verb or sometimes it describes also adjective. But the main word is adverb is the describing word of the verb. It describes the verb. Adverb means what describing word, but what it describes the verb. So how is the verb doing here? It will be represent and it will be described about the how is that cry. So cry, I am given here the example how the person has been crying or how the baby is crying loudly. So the child is crying loudly or the child is crying silently. So here and then most of the adverb will be end with the ly. So this adverb will be described the verb. So how the verb is going on, how the action is. It is beautifully going on or silently or the loudly. These are the describing of the verb. And then sixth one, conjunction. So what is a conjunction? So conjunction is a joining word. Simple word, it is a joining word. Where it will be joined, it can be joined the two sentence or it can be joined for the two person or the two things or the two place. That means what is a conjunction means it's a joining word. For example, Rahul is playing and then Sita is playing. So what the two child has been doing, the children are what they are doing. Rahul also playing and Sita also playing. But we can make we can use the help of this conjunction and we can make the shorten the sentence. So that Rahul and Geeta. Rahul and Geeta are playing. So we change into one sentence and then we make the shorten with the help of the conjunction. So what is the conjunction? Conjunction is the joining word. For example, and. So we use and to shorten the sentence. So conjunction is a joining word. And then number 7, what is that? Preposition. So what is the preposition? Preposition are the word. It show the timing, direction or the direction. It will show the time and then it will be show the direction or the it will show the direction. So preposition the word are it shows the timing and it shows the direction or it shows the direction. This is called known as this such kinds of the word are known as preposition. So for example, where is the book? The book is on the table. So it shows the where is the book is. It shows the place. And where is the SRSBM? It is in Gorebindo. So we saw that the places and where is the where the things or the person or any places that where have been situated. So we use that whenever we wanted to show the timing or the direction or the timing, direction and the position, we use a preposition. For example, on. And for example, so someone when they ask you when your school started, our school is started at 10:30, 8. So we use the 8 to show the timing. So 8 also preposition, that we show the timing of that. And now the last one is interjection. The last one is interjection. So what is the interjection? The words which show the sudden feeling or sudden express are known as an interjection. The word, whenever we say the word suddenly or the strong feeling, then that word are known as an interjection. For example, wow. Like we say wow, and then after the end of the interjection word, there will be always end with the exclamation mark to show the sudden feeling or the strong feeling. So these are the 8 parts of speech. First one, noun. What is the noun? Noun is a naming word. What is the pronoun? Pronoun will take place of the noun. What is the verb? Verb is an action word. Adjective. Adjective will describe the noun or the pronoun. And then adverb. Adverb will describe the verb, and sometimes it also describes the adjective. And what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a joining word. And now number 8, preposition. Preposition are the word which show the timing or the position or the direction. And then the last one is interjection. Interjection are the word which show sudden feeling or sudden express or the strong feeling. And always time the interjection word, it will be end with the exclamation mark to show the sudden feeling or the sudden express or the strong feeling. Thank you.